Hey everyone, today we are building a clean Excel table and then transforming it into a powerful pivot table. Let's jump right in. Enter your data. Ensure there are no blank columns or rows to avoid errors in future analysis. Then, highlight your data range and head to the Insert tab and then click Table. Check my table has headers, then click OK. Now your data is turned into an official Excel table, making it easier to sort, filter, and reference. With the table selected, go to Insert, then Pivot Table. Choose whether to place it in a new worksheet or the existing worksheet. Click OK to insert the pivot table shell. In the Pivot Table Fields pane, drag fields. Use categories as rows and place numerical values in values. And just like that, you have a summary table, letting you analyze trends, totals, or counts in seconds. And there you go. By starting with a clean Excel table, you've now unlocked the analytical power of pivot tables. If this helps you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Excel hacks. See you next time.